Xiaomi's 300-watt demo fully charges a phone in 5 minutes. Unbelievable. I actually saw this floating around Twitter earlier today. It has a slightly smaller battery, but it's still impressive nonetheless. So shrink the battery ever so slightly. And obviously you're going to get the full faster. But it's still a 4,100 milliamp hour battery. I mean, it's pretty decent. And you go from 0 to 100 in 5 minutes, and it pulls everything into question. Now, obviously, the phone is the phone. And it's funny, this is a day after the story comes about Apple slowing down your charging.
Yeah.
Xiaomi's like, no.
Let's max it out.
Yeah. Back in late October, we saw Xiaomi releasing 210 watt mobile charging tech by way of its Redmi. Like, how guilty are you supposed to feel about this one? Charging your phone in 5 minutes, maximum carbon. I hit the maximum. Yeah. I hit carbon max mode.
Max carbon, please.
Recharged. Yeah, no. It's like circumstances matter too, I suppose. Because like when you need it, you're hitting max carbon mode. When you need it.
Yeah, but this is impressive because it's 5 minutes. Like,
I know.
Would you need a full phone charge for 5 minutes? I mean, it's nice, but think about your carbon offset.
Listen to me. This is the way technology works. You keep pushing and pushing and pushing, and we're not all really certain what the hell we're doing anyways. Yeah. And it's novel, and things get better. And then competition leads to more things getting better. And it becomes harder and harder for things to appear novel to us until some new innovation emerges because of this competition and because of our march towards some sort of unknown progress that we're unaware of. Yeah. This is the nature of the business. And ultimately, once humans recognize the convenience of charging in 5 minutes, there will be a date in time where they come to expect it. And certainly if you could do this with an electric car, absolutely everybody would notice immediately, and they'd be hitting the carbon button. Extremely impressive.
Yeah.
Look at this. Good Lord. Now, they sped it up for the purpose of this video, obviously. And you can see the clock on the right-hand side, the charge rate. Oh, they just put it real time for a moment for some reason. And then they speed it back up. And what is that? That's energy delivered on the left-hand side?
I guess so, right?
Yeah, it does slow down a little bit towards the end, just like any recharge, but it doesn't matter. It's an easy 0 to 100 to 4,100 milliamp hour battery in 5 minutes, which, again, this has been happening gradually now to where people's appreciation for it has kind of, I don't know, we're kind of fatigued to it.
But how hot is that phone? How hot is that charger?
Well, that's the thing. They got to figure out. That's another complication, something to figure out. How do you make it safe? How do you get the cooling necessary in there? Yeah. But I don't care, Will. I mean, this gets me excited. I can't help it.
Greta doesn't like this phone.
I can't help it. You understand?
She's not going to use this phone.
Well, I don't know. I mean, there's an argument there where maybe if you can charge so fast, you can have a smaller battery, mine less lithium, and Will, you can make a plus minus on anything. Why are you here?
Yeah.
Oh. Good Lord. Plus, we're talking about smartphones at the end. That's why Apple is so funny to me every time, that they're the ones saving the universe, but they're also the ones convincing me. How many times have I mentioned this, Will? They're a company that sells a product.
Yeah, everyone's doing this.
You know, like, they're going to put together the slickest keynote to tell me why I need a new phone at their event in September. The slickest, like no expenses spared. You understand that, Will? And then I'm going to take an old slab, chuck it in the trash, get a new slab, and pat myself on right in my carbon spot.
Yeah.
I'm going to go right there. It's beautiful stuff. I mean, it's poetry. ChatGPT might have wrote that whole story.
Yeah, good old marketing.
It's like, you know, there's one way, Will. There's one way. You want less footprint, you have to consume less of everything, including Apple. Of course, Apple doesn't want to say that. They want to keep telling you, no. Or whoever's making these claims. Forget about Apple. I use Apple because they're the biggest. We talk about them all the time. No. Hit the toggle. You're saving things.
Yeah.
You work with us. We save together. Just let us get a little bit off the top. Just let us have a little bit. Don't worry about us. Don't worry about us.
Why are you whispering?
Oh, I apologize.
Very menacing.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. I didn't even notice, actually. Just let us have a little.
Oh, God.
We'll save the world for you. Just let us.
Guy again keeps whispering.
Let us have a little. That's all we need. Just, I promise you, it's not big. It's nowhere near. But a few small billions. Nobody will notice. We'll keep saving the world for you.
Oh,
While we give you your lithium and glass bricks for your pocket twice a year.
Ugh.
See how I upgraded it to twice a year?
Yeah.
You look like you need some new lithium in your pocket.
I don't need it.
Hey, Will. Shh. Come over here.
Huh?
I got some lithium for you.
In your jacket pocket?
That's right.
Oh.
All I just need you to watch my.
No more.
I just
got too much.
Keynote for you to watch.
I'm good. Leave me alone.
Oh, baby. Yeah, I mean, we got to be honest with it.